Yeah, so what we're doing today, we're gonna do something crazy. We're working with some silicone. This is Miracle Go. If you're Vietnamese, you know what the Go is. It's not silicone, I'll tell you that. This cup 12 grams. This cup 12 grams. So what you do with this right here, you got part A and part B, right? Even mix. This should cover 2 keyboards. I guess we're mixing utensil. I'm mixing utensil. It's a spoon. After we let this set, because I have to do the silicone first. On the internet, it said 6 hours. On the review video or on the guide video, it said 1 hour. I'm gonna give it an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Did I read the instructions? There's no instructions on the bottle, bro. It literally has no instructions, so you gotta look at the product page on Amazon. Product page on Amazon doesn't tell you anything. That's fake. All right, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna zero this out. This is gonna be A. We're gonna do it live. Why? Because more entertaining doing it live. Ooh! Alright, that looks interesting, right? We got about 49 grams in there. Hit 53. Yeah, that's about right, 53 grams. Alright, next bottle. We're gonna measure the thickness. Oh, for the thickness, yeah, we're gonna just drop it. I got 53. Cool. This is A, this is B. The mixing apparatus. Put a little bit in, so put the A and the B. Just a little bit. Got 5 minutes on the. We got 5 minutes. Hold on. So this is what I did with the Space 65, right? So I taped the edges anywhere that might leave through. So right here is the USB-C port, and these are screws, and these are kind of seams. It's gonna fill this void for the battery and this little void here, and it's gonna reach up to here. So I'm talking about 2-3 mils. And what I also have is on the back, I have a little riser. So I used the foam that was intended for that little battery compartment and put some tape on it, stacked it up, and then I used the iPhone to check if it's level. It's sitting okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. Maybe ask yourself, Andy, why did you do this off stream? Well, it's more entertaining when I fuck up live. So what we're gonna do is start at the lowest point per bare cables. Are you supposed to line with cling wrap? No, that's not what the guide I saw did. All it did was tape, bro. It's just like pancake batter, dude. Go. I swear to God, it's not enough. I swear to God. Oh God. How's this gonna fill, dude? It'll settle? Yeah, I think it'll settle. Let's just scoop out the rest. Marisa said, best part of Andy's stream is that the presentation's so professional, but we always have the fuck it, we'll see what happens mentality. What's the worst that can happen? It's just a keyboard, dude. Alright, we just get. So I'm just gonna sit there for the rest of the stream. I don't feel like the texture's gonna change, I just have to be careful lifting it up. Client says go for it. Jesus Christ. Oh, baby. Oh, this is working right. It's like, yeah, dude. Whew. How did you know how much silicone to pour in it? I read somewhere it said half the bottle. If anyone is trying to do this themselves, I use 53 grams of A and 53 grams of B, which roughly was half the bottle. So the idea to do this is to make it quieter. And this will be a good mod for like a tofu. Because you saw, right? We had 53 grams of A, 53 grams of B. Yo, we're gonna do this to the KVD67 Lite. It was just tape over like the screws. And you look at the USB port, it's fine. See? Yeah, I just literally poured it in. So I taped over this hole and I taped at this seam because this thing is not sitting in anything. So I wanted to tape this to make sure it didn't seep in. I didn't bother this corner, but I did kind of go vertically off of here. So I taped up on this. So what I need to do right now is look at this port right here, right? I need to slice out the USB. So I'm just gonna cut off this entire chunk. Just gonna go ahead and cut this like this. It sounds in absolutely no way hollow. GMK Rudy on the blue Space 65 Cybervoyager. Yeah, it looked kind of fire from the back. Dude, it's nice.